Welcome to the best pick. The best Sudaderas de Mexico is probably one of the most versatile and stylish pieces of clothing you can add to your wardrobe, offering a perfect blend of comfort, warmth, and cultural flair that makes them ideal for a wide range of occasions, from casual outings to more dressed-up events, ensuring you always look and feel your best. Number 5. Ariat Women's Mexico Softshell Jacket. Introducing the Ariat Women's Mexico Softshell Jacket. Designed for comfort and style, it's perfect for any occasion. This jacket is crafted with lightweight and breathable materials. You'll stay comfortable whether you're indoors or out. Built to last, it offers durability and water resistance. It can handle various weather conditions with ease. Enjoy a modern fit that flatters your silhouette. It provides freedom of movement without compromising on style. Its versatile design makes it a great addition to your wardrobe. Pair it with jeans or leggings for a complete look. This will quickly become your go-to jacket for everyday wear. Experience the perfect blend of fashion and function. What we like? This one is perfect for active individuals who need protection from the elements without sacrificing comfort. If you're often outdoors and want to show your support for Mexico, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who value performance and subtle national pride. What people say? It's really perfect for all weather, keeps you warm and not too hot if it's not too cold out. The warmth, style, fit, and comfort were amazing. I love the material thickness and style of the item. The color is so bright. Los logos vienen bordados, solo la bandera de Mexico viene con otro tipo de tela textura, es super calientada. Number 4. Ariat Women's Hooded Sweatshirt. Introducing the Ariat Women's Hooded Sweatshirt. Designed for comfort and style, it's perfect for any casual occasion. Experience ultimate comfort with its soft fabric blend. You'll love how it feels against your skin. This versatile piece effortlessly complements your everyday wardrobe. Dress it up or down with ease. Crafted with quality in mind, it's built to last. You can count on it for seasons to come. Whether you're running errands or relaxing at home, it's your go-to choice. Enjoy its practical design. What we like? For ultimate comfort and a relaxed vibe, this is the one to go for. If you're looking for a go-to hoodie for everyday wear, lounging, or casual outings, this will be your favorite. Its soft material makes it perfect for anyone who prioritizes coziness. What people say? Perfect size and soft 100% cotton feel. Super soft and cozy. Very quality material. This hooded sweatshirt is warm and comfortable and the color's infidel is lovely. It is stylish, but not trendy looking. It is true to size for me, a large and isn't too small or too roomy, 5 feet 8 inches 150. Number 3. Ariat Men's Mexico Hoodie. Introducing the Ariat Men's Mexico Hoodie. This hoodie is designed for comfort and style, perfect for any casual occasion. Experience the perfect blend of comfort and style with this essential piece. It's crafted to keep you cozy without compromising on your look. Made with premium materials, this hoodie offers durability and a soft feel. You'll love how it holds up wash after wash. Its versatile design makes it easy to pair with your favorite jeans or shorts. Dress it up or down for any activity. This is sure to become your new favorite go-to item for everyday wear. Get ready to live in it. What we like? This option is designed for those who appreciate a classic and robust hoodie. If you need something warm and reliable for cooler weather or just love a timeless look, this is a solid pick. It's best suited for men seeking a durable and comfortable staple. What people say? The fabric is soft and breathable, perfect for everyday wear. The design is unique and stylish. I love the vibrant colors. It fits true to size and is very comfortable to wear. Number 2. FAYBA Aztec Mexico 3D Print Casual Hooded Pullover. Experience the vibrant culture of Mexico with this uniquely designed hoodie. Its intricate Aztec patterns bring a touch of history to your everyday style. Featuring eye-catching 3D printing, this pullover offers a dynamic and modern aesthetic. The detailed graphics truly stand out, making a bold fashion statement. Designed for ultimate comfort, this hoodie is perfect for casual outings. Its soft fabric and relaxed fit ensure you stay cozy all day long. This hooded pullover is a versatile addition to any wardrobe. Easily pair it with your favorite jeans or shorts for a stylish and effortless look. Bring a piece of Mexico's rich heritage into your life. This garment is more than just clothing, it's a wearable work of art. What we like? Make a bold statement with this uniquely designed piece. If you love vibrant patterns and want to stand out from the crowd with a touch of Mexican artistry, this is for you. It's perfect for those who enjoy fashion-forward casual wear and expressing individuality. What people say. Quid encantada con esta sudadera es comoda y la tela es muy suave. Great color. Very comfortable. Easy wash and dry. Got 3 compliments the first day I wore it. These are awesome. I bought multiples for my family in Mexico and they all love them. Vibrant colors, well made. Number 1. Women's Mexican Flag Basic Pullover Hoodie. Show your pride with this comfortable and stylish hoodie. Perfect for everyday wear, it's a great way to celebrate your Mexican roots. Designed for ultimate comfort, this pullover offers a relaxed fit without compromising on style. It's the ideal addition to your casual wardrobe. Featuring a bold and vibrant Mexican flag design, this hoodie lets you wear your patriotism with pride. Stand out and make a statement. This versatile piece is perfect for any occasion, from a casual day out to a cozy evening in. Its easy-to-wear design makes it a go-to favorite. Crafted from soft, breathable fabric, it provides warmth and coziness all day long. You'll love the feel of this essential sweatshirt. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This hoodie is a fantastic choice for anyone who loves Mexican culture and comfortable apparel. Give the gift of style and comfort. What we like? Show your national pride with this straightforward and classic design. If you're looking for a simple yet effective way to represent Mexico, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for anyone who prefers a clean aesthetic and comfortable everyday wear. What people say. Excellent tela y Lego super rapido 100% recomendado tala L. Love D material and D picture. I got a L size sweater, great loose hit. I love it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.